Timmy's big imagination. Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Timmy. Timmy loved playing with his toys and spending time with his family. He had a big imagination and would often pretend to be a superhero or an explorer. One day, Timmy went on an adventure in his backyard. He found a little bug that was struggling to crawl off a leaf. Timmy gently lifted the bug onto the leaf and watched as it climbed to the top. As Timmy watched the bug, he realized that even the smallest creatures can accomplish great things. From that day on, Timmy started to appreciate the world around him more and began to notice the little things that often went unnoticed. The end. Subscribe for more.